Nearly 2,400 years of political thought, and one question still has no agreed answer. What is politics actually for? Aristotle, ancient Greek philosopher and one of the founders of political science, gave an answer that still lives in textbooks and political speeches. Politics is the highest form of human association directed toward the common good. It's a beautiful idea, but it describes an ideal, not a mechanism. Nearly 2 millennia later, Niccolò Machiavelli, an Italian thinker of the Renaissance, dismantled that construction. Politics is the set of means necessary to attain power, hold power, and make power useful. No common good, only the mechanics of capture and control. Max Weber, a German sociologist, made the definition operational. Politics is the striving to share in power or to influence the distribution of power between states or among groups within a state. Hans Morgenthau, an American theorist of international relations, closed the circle. International politics, like all politics, is a struggle for power. States declare freedom, security, justice, but the method of achieving any of these goals remains one thing: the struggle for power. Morgenthau called this an incontrovertible fact of historical experience. This is not cynicism, it's an analytical tool. The gap between declarations of common good and the actual mechanics of power is not the hypocrisy of individual politicians. It is a structural property of politics as a system. The common good is the language power uses to explain itself. The mechanics of power is how it actually works.